Your car feels solid, dependable. You probably think it's always ready for the road, absorbing every bump with ease. But it is the unsettling truth: a crucial system, hidden underneath, is constantly under attack. It's silently breaking down, day after day. You won't hear a big bang, just a quiet deterioration that leads to poor handling, worn tires, and even dangerous driving. This isn't just about comfort, it's about control. And we're about to expose the 13 secret signals it gives you. Your suspension doesn't just fail all at once with a loud bang. It's a slow fade. What might start as a ride that feels just a little rougher than usual, or your car pulling slightly to one side, can turn into a serious safety problem if you ignore it. Experts agree that these little issues are early warnings. And they don't fix themselves, they always get worse over time. Before you know it, you could find yourself in a situation where you don't have full control of your car, especially when you need it most. This isn't just about comfort or avoiding a big repair bill. It's about staying safe. So today, we're going to walk through every single one of those 13 signs, so you know exactly what to look for. Number 1. Excessive bouncing after bumps. This is one of the easiest signs to spot. You drive over a speed bump or a pothole, and your car just keeps bouncing, feeling floaty and unstable. That's a huge red flag that your shocks or struts are worn out. Their job is to absorb that impact and keep the car stable. When they fail, you get a jarring ride that seriously compromises your control, especially at highway speeds. This constant motion means your tires aren't staying firmly planted on the road. But this isn't the only handling issue you'll notice. Number 2. Uneven tire wear. Go take a close look at your tires. Are they wearing down evenly? Or do you see strange patterns, like bald spots or patches where the tread is much lower than the rest? Your suspension's job is to keep all 4 tires pressed firmly and evenly against the pavement. When components are worn out, that pressure becomes unbalanced, and it literally grinds the rubber right off certain spots. This isn't just a tire problem, it's your car screaming that something is wrong underneath. But sometimes the biggest clues aren't what you see, but what you hear. Number 3. Vehicle pulling to one side. You're driving on a perfectly straight road, but you're constantly fighting the steering wheel just to stop the car from drifting. That persistent pull isn't just annoying, it's a critical sign your suspension alignment is failing. Worn-out parts like control arms or ball joints can't hold your car straight, which seriously compromises your steering control and safety. Not only is it dangerous, but it also creates the exact kind of uneven tire wear that chews through your tires. And this feeling of instability often comes with some very distinct sounds. Number 4. Knocking or clunking over rough roads. If you hear a distinct clunk or knock every time you drive over a pothole, that's your suspension screaming for help. Those noises are a clear sign that critical components have worn out or come loose. Parts like bushings, ball joints, or shocks are no longer held tightly, and they're literally banging into other parts as you drive. Ignoring that sound is a huge mistake. A loose component can fail completely, leading to a sudden loss of control. And that feeling of instability doesn't just make noise. Number 5. Nose diving during braking. You can also feel that instability every time you stop. When you hit the brakes, does the front end of your car dip down hard? That's a classic sign your front shocks are shot. They're no longer able to manage the massive weight shift that happens during braking. This nosedive isn't just a weird feeling, it seriously reduces your braking performance. It can actually increase your stopping distance, which can be the difference between a close call and a serious accident. And that lack of control isn't only a problem when you're slowing down. Number 6. Excessive body roll around corners. Do you feel that lack of control every time you take a turn, though? Does your car feel like it's leaning or swaying heavily when you go around a corner? That's a classic sign your shocks or the sway bar are worn out. They're supposed to keep your car stable and flat, but when they fail, the car's body rolls too much. This makes your steering feel sloppy and unpredictable, which isn't just dangerous, it also makes for a very uncomfortable ride for everyone inside. But the clues aren't always this obvious. Number 7. Steering feels loose or wanders. Does your steering wheel feel vague or unresponsive? Maybe your car seems to have a mind of its own, drifting across the lane even when you're trying to drive straight. That isn't just an alignment issue, it's a classic sign that critical parts like ball joints or control arms are worn out. Those are the components that give you precise control. When they fail, your ability to steer safely is seriously compromised, creating a dangerous situation that only gets worse the longer you ignore it. But sometimes the problem isn't a vague feeling. Number 8. One corner of the car sits lower than the others. Sometimes the most obvious sign is one you can see before you even get in. Take a look at your car on level ground. If one corner is visibly sagging or sitting lower than the others, that's a major red flag. This almost always points to a broken coil spring or a completely collapsed strut. When this happens, the car's weight isn't distributed evenly, which ruins your alignment and puts extreme stress on other components. It's a structural failure that makes the car unsafe to drive. But not all suspension problems are this visible. Number 9. Vibrations through the steering wheel. Sometimes the problem is something you feel directly in your hands. If your steering wheel constantly shimmies or vibrates, don't just write it off as a tire balancing issue. When shocks, struts, or ball joints wear out, they stop absorbing the road's imperfections. That harsh energy has to go somewhere, and it often travels right up into your steering wheel. This isn't just annoying, it's a jarring ride that shows your control over the car is weakening, making steering less precise and predictable. And sometimes, the signs of wear are even more direct. Number 10. Leaking shock absorbers or struts. Sometimes, the evidence is right there in plain sight. Take a look at the shock absorbers or struts under your car. If you see an oily or greasy film coating the body of the part, that's a major red flag. That fluid is supposed to be in situ, helping absorb bumps. When it leaks out, the shock has basically lost its ability to do its job. It's a guaranteed sign of failure, leading directly to that harsh, bouncy ride and a loss of control. But even when parts aren't leaking, the way they're connected can be just as critical. Number 11. Squeaking suspension components. That high-pitched squeal every time you go over a speed bump isn't just an annoying sound, it's your car's suspension crying for help. This noise usually comes from dried-out or worn-out rubber bushings. These small parts are meant to cushion the connections, but when they fail, you start to hear metal grinding on metal. This isn't just about the noise, it signals that parts are breaking down and could become dangerously loose. A squeak today could be a major failure tomorrow. And that sound isn't the only sign of stress. Number 12. Poor ride comfort over small bumps. Does it feel like you suddenly notice every single crack in the pavement? That isn't your imagination. It's a huge sign that your shocks or struts are completely worn out. Their entire job is to absorb those little impacts and give you a smooth ride. When they fail, that cushioning is gone. You start to feel every bump and dip much more intensely, turning a normal drive into a jarring, uncomfortable experience. These constant shaking don't just get annoying, it can make you tired on longer trips. And that jarring feeling points to a bigger problem with how your car handles pressure. Number 13. Steering wheel doesn't return smoothly after turning. After you make a turn, your steering wheel should almost get itself back to the center. If you have to physically fight it or it feels sticky and slow, that's a major red flag. This usually means critical steering or suspension parts, like ball joints or control arms, are so worn out they're creating friction. This directly impacts your control over the car, making it harder to steer precisely and react quickly in an emergency, putting you at serious risk.